A super quick video today. What I thought we would do is, someone asked in the comments about the tone. If you remember on the video of the Sears walkie-talkies, if you've not seen it, have a look on the channel. They have a cool tone feature, which basically puts a sort of 1 kilohertz tone up, like a Morse code tone. There we go, there's the tone, that sounded decent. And somebody asked how much further that would go than the voice on these. So I thought what we'd do is we'd send Tyler up to roughly where we were on the test, on some high ground, and I'll drive up 3 miles away, park up on some other high ground with the Randy and with these, and see if we can pick that tone up. I'm sure we won't pick the voice up, because remember, these walkie-talkies are literally milliwatts. They're like 50, probably no more than 100 milliwatts, if that. And obviously this will be a 4-watt one, and I've never used the adapter that comes with the Randy, so I thought I'd stick that in the car and stick the antenna on the roof and try that. So that's what we're going to do. Only a quick test today, but hopefully it'll answer that question about the tone, which I'm sure will carry much further. Right, we're at the location. I don't think this is going to work too great. We've got a lot of foreign channels on at the minute, so I don't know how well this is going to work. We perhaps should have done this over night time, but standing Tyler in the field in the middle of the night isn't great. So we're here anyway. We'll just give Tyler a call and see if he's receiving anything. And you'll see the problem we got here. We've only got 3 channels, and on all of them it's just garbage. Down to 11. That's our other channel, is 11. And we just got, yeah, the usual. And then on 5 is our other channel. So even if I wanted to do a test from this location, I don't think I'd be able to. So we have to drive a bit nearer, unfortunately. I'm parked up over here where the arrow is, by that farm building. And Tyler is stood pretty close to where we did the test the other day, right over there, 1.5 miles away. And as you can see, it's pretty much line of sight over the valley there, the valley being where the motorway runs. In the middle, that's the M40. So let's see if Tyler if we can pick up the tone on the radio. I'm pretty sure it will. There he is, that beeping. I'm about 1 mile away now, so we'll just see if we can hear you on the we'll just see if we can hear you on the other radio. I doubt it, but we'll try it on the actual handheld. So we'll do that test again. So stay there, Tyler. I'm just going to get out of the car and we'll try it on the handheld, okay? Okay. There he is. Can you hear that? A beep, constant beep. And if there wasn't so much noise, I'm quite near like infrastructure here, we'd probably be hearing that over much greater distance. So I think that answers the question, that the tone will definitely cut through, but there's no way that audio will cut through at all. So we're about 1 mile away at this location. Yeah, that was really interesting, and it's bitterly cold out here. I haven't run the CB antenna on the Leaf for a while actually, but yeah, conditions yeah, with lots of interference. I call it interference. It's not interference, is it? I mean, it's only interference when I don't want it. When I want to do a video on it, then it's cracking signals, isn't it? Here's Mr. Tester. Thanks for that, Tyler. Yeah, it was just so much interference back at the first stop. It was 3 miles away. I reckon had the interference not been there, I reckon we'd have just about done it. But I reckon about 1 mile. It said in the book about 1 mile for those radios. So I think they were right with that. Certainly not 1 mile with the transmitted audio, but certainly 1 mile with the tone. So I think that answers the question there, doesn't it? And it was as good on the walkie-talkie actually as it was on the President Randy on the antenna. So that's pretty decent, isn't it? And these are pretty good, these stereo antennas. If you're looking for a decent antenna for your car, I always forget the name of it. ML145. There we go. And I stick a little bit of red tape on it just so we get it to the right notch. Right. Okay, if you have been, thanks ever so much for watching. And I do read the comments, and this was a response to the comments. So hope you've enjoyed that, and we'll ship these walkie-talkies off to Dom, and we'll say bye, won't we, Tyler? Yeah. Bye from Hanwell in Banbury, Oxfordshire.